To make the silicone white again, we're going to start with getting a spray bottle and we're going to pour in 1 part bleach to 1 part water. I'm filling the spray bottle around 3/4 of the way full. I'm planning to use a lot of this bleach solution. We don't have to do any scrubbing in this process. What we're going to do is grab some paper towels and I'm going to break off a piece, fold it in half and roll it up into a sausage-like shape. I'm then going to sit it around next to all the silicone that I want to clean. I'm going to worry about this vertical part later, but first we're going to lay it around all these horizontal areas. I'm going to get my bleach bottle and start to spray them to make them nice and wet. This will make them easier to stay in that sausage form, and we're going to press them hard up to the silicone. What the paper towel is doing, it's absorbing all that water and bleach solution, and it's going to keep the bleach next to the silicone for the next 4 to 6 hours. If we just sprayed the bleach straight onto the silicone, it would run off and be dry quite quickly. With that done, I'm going to go over with another coat of bleach, making sure that they are soaking wet. For the vertical part, I'm going to unroll the paper towel to the length of the silicone and break it off at that height. I'm going to try to do that same thing carefully and roll this lengthwise into a sausage form. And then what I can do is tape the top of it against the silicone. It's going to open up a bit, but I'm going to keep shoving that paper towel together and I'm going to basically connect it to the wool with some masking tape. The more masking tape, the better, but you still want to leave enough areas so that we can actually spray it with our bleach once it's done and make sure that paper towel is nice and drenched. With that done, we're going to leave this for 4 to 6 hours. Any time above that is even better. With the vertical part of the paper towel and the masking tape, I did come back after 2 hours. It dried off a little bit as the water did run downhill, so I applied more tape to keep the paper towel even harder to the silicone and gave it another spray with that same solution. Alright, so it's 6 hours later, I'm going to start pulling off this paper towel and we can already see how much cleaner that is from the start. If we pull off this paper towel and masking tape vertically, it's so much cleaner. There is still room for improvement. So in this case, I will repeat the process one more time to give it another clean.